Struggling to connect your high-res DVI monitor to a newer DisplayPort device? This DisplayPort 1.2 to DVI-D dual-link adapter supports resolutions up to 2560 by 1600 at 60 Hz, keeping your visuals sharp and smooth. It's HDCP compliant and works with both single and multi-mode DisplayPort sources, including desktops, laptops, and docking stations. With a secure latching DisplayPort connector and screw-locking DVI cable support, this adapter ensures a stable connection without accidental disconnections. No drivers needed. Just plug in and enjoy your widescreen or ultrawide display. Worth a look if you want to keep your older monitor working flawlessly with modern gear.